I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. Updating billing information can be a bit tricky, but following these steps will make it straightforward. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Rogers website and sign into your account using your credentials. This is where you can manage all your billing details. Step 2. Navigate to Billing section. Once logged in, find the Billing tab in the main menu. This section contains all your billing-related options. Step 3. Select Update Payment Method. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the SROC.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 4. Enter new information. Fill in the required fields with your new billing details, such as credit card number, expiration date, and billing address. Double check for any typos to avoid issues. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new information, make sure to click the Save button to ensure your changes are recorded. You should see a confirmation message. If you forget to save your changes, you might have to re-enter everything, so be sure to double check before leaving the page. I hope this helps you update your billing information easily. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.